Now, the question is presumptive tax or conventional tax. Now, the first thing is both are OTR, by the way. Of course, you can have NTR also in both, and NTR is going to be the default. Now, people ask me, why do I prefer presumptive? I've given my preference, prefer ITR 4. Why do I prefer presumptive? I'll only do that because it gives me freedom from maintaining my bills. You don't issue me a bill. For example, you are a trader. You are you can say a supplier. I make you say, sir, bill denge, GST lagega, whatever. If I give you bill, there'll be GST, there'll be carriage cost, whatever. Okay, no problem. Send me. I'm going to pay you online. Don't pay me this way. Pay me in that account. It is his problem. You are paying digitally. It is recorded as your expense. Anyways, it is not going to matter because your expenses are presumed at 50%. We maintain our bills and accounts to make sure that actually do we fall near 50% or not. As I said before, all our clinics have an average of 45 to 55 expenses. Somebody who's having less needs to really leak, you can say, plug those leaking buckets. So this is just to make sure that you're close to that number. You get freedom from having any bills. I don't need it. You get a freedom from your CA. I told you just 10 minutes. You have that numbers I showed you in Form 3C. You have those numbers of income. 10 minutes to file your ITR 4. Easiest ITR. If I'm following presumptive way, as I said, easiest ITR, I get a freedom from filing difficult, complex ITRs. Easy way, anyone can do it. It is a DIY. Do it yourself. The biggest, maintaining books of accounts, all those vouchers, registers, everything for expenses, for files. I don't need anything. I get a freedom from maintaining that. You have to maintain your books of account for 6 years from the last filed return. 6 years. IT department changed it last year to 3, then again rolled it back to 6. 6 years you maintain all those records. Go to your CA, bhar do meri return, please file my return. Maintain all those bills, file complex returns. All for what? 5% more profit? Bullshit. Sorry for my language, but bullshit approach. If it gives you freedom from all this and you still don't want to prefer presumptive with added now advantage of going up to 75 lakhs, any day I'll prefer presumptive. It requires my patients to pay me more digitally. Anyways, we are not concealing anything. So it makes sense to show more in white and have peace of mind when you sleep in the night. Who can file ITR 4? Anyone having income up to 50 lakhs, one house property, other sources income up to 50 lakhs. Simple answer. Most of us fall in the range of 5 to 50 lakhs only. Now 50 lakhs means 4,16,000 gross. Very few of us actually earn 4 lakh plus gross. Yes, I'm not saying we don't earn it. Many of us earn it, but only few of us earn it actually or show it actually. 4 lakh is a huge amount per month. If we're having that, why not have a peace of mind? 4 lakhs means 48 lakhs or 4 lakh 16 means almost close to 49999, 49 lakh 99,999. Up to 50 is exempt, of course. Not exempt means that is allowable under ITR 4 in present way. If you continue to follow the way that my payments are not going to change, they still pay me more cash, then you get a limit of 50 lakhs. If you change your patients to pay you more digitally and 95% of your patients pay digital, you get a limit of up to 75 lakhs. What else? 50 lakhs of income means automatically 25 lakhs is gone. 25 lakhs is gone. 25 lakhs is your expenses which have been presumed by the government of India or the income tax department. 25 lakhs of expenses. In actually, if somebody is earning 50 lakhs, trust me, his annual expenses won't be more than 20. The government is giving you a cushion of 5 lakhs more. 25. If now the question is OTR or NTR. Now, if you go in with the NTR, you may have comparatively lesser tax to pay, but you are not allowed any deductions. What are deductions? We'll come to that. But if you're following OTR, the old tax regime, you're allowed all the deductions. For example, 1.5 in PPF, 50,000 in National Pension Scheme, NPS, 25,000 medical insurance. Your parents also have a policy. You take a policy for them, 25,000 for them, 80 TTA. So approximately 2,42,000, 2,40,000, 50,000, 60,000 approximately exemptions are there. Approximate. That are deducted from 25. Let's say 3 lakhs. So you pay tax on 22 lakhs only. Fair enough. Now, what is the problem? What will be the tax which you are going to pay? That is the biggest headache for many. If you're having an income of 22 lakhs net after deductions, people will feel that I had 50 lakhs, 30% means 15 lakhs will go to Government of India, 1.5. 15 lakhs will go to Government of India. I am not ready to pay tax. Now, if you are actually having 22 lakhs of income, you pay 12 lakh into 30%, 3 lakh 60 and 1 lakh 12, 4 lakh and 72,000 of tax. Earning 50 lakhs and paying 4 lakh 72,000 tax. Is it more? The choice is yours. The choice is yours. In NTR, you may have lesser tax to pay. Probably you might pay up, then you don't get any deductions. There, the calculation is based on your 25 lakhs only. Unless you're salaried, you get a couple of allowances or standard deduction. But for a self-employed like us, you won't get any deductions to be applied on your 25 lakhs. Just presume the same example I presume. So once you are doing that, you're paying a little lesser tax, probably in the range of 4 lakh something. Again, but what is the compromise that you're making? The compromise you're making is on your future. You are not saving anything for your future. You're spending and living in current. That's absolutely your choice. I don't have any issues with that.